Good morning, my dear students. And today I'm just again begin with the concept of a file handling. But this time, yesterday, hopefully you all are able to understand that what is the meaning of a binary file here. So yesterday we have thought about and we work about that how we are supposed to read the content from a binary file, and that how we are supposed to write the content within that particular binary file. So this will be the procedure what we follow yesterday. So today I'm just going to elaborate this concept with the help of an practical example as well as a question which is supposed to be there in your examinations. So I'm just going to display that question first of all, and then I'm just begin with my content, that what will be the content and how we are supposed to do that particular thing. Okay, so it's my humble request, kindly concentrate each and every student. It's my humble request here. So today we are just begin with all the practical sessions, that how we are supposed to do a particular question which is supposed to be there in our question paper. So it says that this is a practical program, a binary file which is named as a student.dat. Dat means that is not anything which is not able, we are not able to understand. That is a data file. As we talk about a txt, that is a text file, but it doesn't make any sense that text extension of txt is being only used with the text file. We can use it with binary as well as csv, no issues with that. So we can use a binary file student.dat has a structure. That is, the structure is admission number, name, and percentage. So what they do, they ask that write a function count rec in Python that would read the content of the file student.dat and display the details of those students whose percentage is above 75. It means this thing is very much clear here, that what we are going to do, we are going to perform a operation. We are supposed to write a function where the data is being inserted, data is being displayed, and data is being displayed on the basis of a particular criteria. And what will be the criteria? Criteria is saying yes, that mark the percentage will be above mean greater than 75. So those who are able to understand the question, kindly tell me yes or no in a chat box. Yes or no in a chat box, please. I'm only talking about a question, that what will be the question. Are you able to understand that particular question? Thank you very much, Koshiji. And all are supposed to give me a response. Yes, Jay, thank you. And there is no compulsion that all the times you are supposed to write yes. You can type no, and you can type any suggestion if you want to give. No issues with that. So what we do, thank you very much, Archie, for responding. Thank you, Jashanpreet Kaurji, for your valuable response here. So what we do here, kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. So what we do here, I'm just going to open that Python here, and in spite of writing, one thing is very important, but when this question is comes in your examination, so what you do, you can only write the functionality of a count record function in spite of writing the entire program what we are going to do here. So but it's very important that the teacher is supposed to explain the concept with a practical demonstration, then only the students are able to get the exact information that how they are supposed to perform that particular. So as we all know that we are supposed to begin with importing a pickle module. So what we are going to write here, we are going to write here import pickle, and then we are supposed to, from pickle, I'm just going to import here, that is asterisk here. So what it makes sense here, it's my humble request, kindly understand. From pickle, each and every function is supposed to be derived here. So what we do here, we are just going to create a first function that is e-data. What it makes sense? It makes sense that we are supposed to enter the data, because I'm going to elaborate all the three functions: entering data, displaying data, and count record. Sorry, this will be the exact function what we are supposed to do. So in that case, what we are going to do, we are supposed to mention it as a open. Here it is with open, and name of the file is student001. We take it as no issues with that. And what we do here, we are supposed to write it as AB. Can anybody is going to give me a response that what is the meaning of AB in a chat box, if you don't mind? Yes, very good, very good. I'm just still waiting for your responses, and hopefully I get that response. With open student 001 dot dat AB as obj1. So what we do here, we are just going to begin the concept with infinite loop, and here it is while it says it's here it is true, means we entered in an infinite loop, and what we are supposed to ask from or accept the values from user here. So what we do here, we just take it as a number here. It means that is admission number. Okay, so what we type here in, after that here it is input here, enter admission number here, and what we do, we just close this, and second one which is being required here, that is a name. So what we do here, we can simply type it as a name is equal to input, and enter student name here, and what we do, we just hit the enter key. So next thing will be that what we require, that will be the percentage. We can write it as PER is equal to, hopefully we get it in the form of integer, or you can take it as float, no issues with that. So enter student percentage, student percentage here. So what we do, we just hit the enter key. And after accepting these values, we take one variable, and in the form of list, we are supposed to store all the values here, a number, comma, here it is a name here, and here it is PER, it says yes. Okay, done. So what we do, the value is being stored here in a data, but the information which is being entered by a user is not supposed to be stored right now in a binary file, that is student 001.dat. So what we do for the same, what we do, we just mention it as a dump here, and we required a data here, and we required a file object here, that is obj1. Now we are supposed to ask from the user cn is equal to, you want to do you want to enter more data here. So what we do, we just mention it as an input. Here it is again press y or y to add more data. Here it is the information, and what we do, we just hit it enter, and if ch not in y and y, it makes sense that when the value is not being entered by user is y or small or capital Y, in that case what we do, we are supposed to come out from that infinite loop, that is to be called as a while, where we take it as a while. Kindly give me a response that this function is clear to all of you. E underscore data, it's my humble request, kindly give your responses. I'm just waiting for your response. Very good. If you are writing that particular thing, no issues with that, you can write, but it's my humble request, kindly respond in a chat box. Still I am waiting for your responses. Yes, thank you very much, Prabjot. Many more to come, many more people are there. Simran, yes sir. Kushi Kheti ji, Nupur ji, Jack Kaur ji. Where is Vinit Japara? Vinit, I need your response, beta. Sir, please explain third line. Gurpreet ji is saying. Gurpreet, which third line? With जो विद वाला लिखा हुआ है, क्या लिखा हुआ है, थोड़ा सा गाइड कर दीजिए प्लीज. Sanjana ji, thank you. Thanks for your response. Gurpreet, kindly mention yes with. Okay. Gurpreet ji, this with is a keyword. In spite of using a simple thing, but we mention it as, we can also write this thing as, kindly concentrate. We can also do this thing in such a form. Obj1 is equal to open, and what we do, that is student 001 dot dat, and here it is, it says AB, that is the append mode here, and after that we are supposed to perform the operation. But in that case, what happened here, that we are also going to mention the obj1 dot close function. So this will be the concept of this information, which what we have discussed earlier. But in spite of using this functionality, we are supposed to use a with open file name, and then there is a mode as obj1. So in that case, there is no need to use that particular obj1 dot close function. That's why I'm just going to use such kind of information, that it is not required to do it again and again. Hopefully, Gurpreet ji, the things will be clear. Kindly tell me in chat box. Yeah, Vinesh Zapra. Okay. Gurpreet, kindly acknowledge, please, if my words are understood by you. Yes, sir. Okay, thank you very much, Gurpreet ji. Now what we do, dear students, we talk about a next function, that is def. Name of the function and the working is different as per your logic. D data, why I am just taking it as a D data, it says that I want to display the information of that. So what we do here, in spite of writing it again here, so what we do, we just copy that information, but we make sure this thing that here we are not going to write anything. So what we do, we just mention it as a RB, that is a read binary file. So what we do for eliminating any kind of error, we use a concept of try and exception. After that, we just entered in infinite loop, that is a while true, and what we do here, it is data is equal to, as we all know that for reading from a binary file, we use a function that is to be called as a load here. So what we do, that load is supposed to be mentioned along with a file object here, file object. And now what we do, we hit enter, and for displaying that particular data, we just mention it along with a print function here. And in case we found any kind of error, except as exception, as what we do, we just mention it as a. It's up to you whether you want to use it a or not. So I don't want to display any kind of error on the screen. That's why what I do, but I'm just going to use a simple print statement here. Okay, great. Now the actual functionality begins, that what we talk about a function which you all are supposed to write in your answer key when it comes here. So the name of the function as per the question is count record here. So what we do, we just enter, hit the enter key, and my dear respected students, what I do, that I'm just going to mention it as I'm just going to just copy and paste that particular information. Why so? I'm just going to explain. Again, what happened, I'm just going to open a file, that is a student001.dat in a read binary mode along with a file object, that is obj1. It says try is removing any kind of error which comes during the runtime, and this is an infinite loop. What it does, that we are going to read the content with the help of a file object. And if agar ab aayega agar, if ab meri baat zara dhyan se sun lijiyega. My dear respected students, what I'm just going to elaborate here, in that particular line, what happened here, when we talk about in such case, when we talk about data, that is index location is 0. So here it is, what is supposed to be stored here, that is a underscore n. When we talk about data, and here it is a 1 here, so what it makes sense, that they are supposed to store the name here. And when we talk about data, and when we talk about 2 here, so what it makes sense, that it is supposed to be stored the information of a percentage. Hopefully the things will be clear. Here, that what is the meaning of index 0, index 1, and index 2 here. So what we do here, I'm just going to mention here agar, and as per my question, it says the display the marks of those students where percentage is somewhere above 75. So when we talk about a percentage, I think so percentage is on second index location of a data. That's why we mention it as if, and then we mention it as data, and then here it is 2 here is greater than 75. So what we do, we just mention it as greater than 75. And what we do here, if this criteria will be justified here, so what we do, we just print the data. Means the information which is being stored here on that particular. And in case we face any kind of runtime error here, so ex can I just copy and paste here for just sake of making it quickly. So this is the actual concept here. So makes sense that this will give you a 5 marks. I think so. This will give you a 5 marks. Even I show the sample paper of CBSE that how it works. So what we do here, that we have done with each and everything now, but because I'm just talking about the entire program here, because you are also going to make project here on the basis of file handling, on the basis of SQL, which we are supposed to do it later on. But text files, binary files, and CSV files are very interesting, and they are supposed to use, you can use that particular concept in your projects for making Python content. So what we do here, we just mention it as a print here, and mention First of all, that is a menu here, /n. One, it says, simply I just type it as the enter data, and after that what we do here, it is second, we just mention it as a display data, and what we do here again, there is display data of greater than 75. I'm just going to write in such a way that it looks appropriate, not more than this. What we do here, we can simply type that particular information, and now out of this menu, we are just going to ask from a user, ch is equal to, what it makes sense, it says input here, and enter your choice out of which option from 1 to 3 here, and what it makes sense. Okay, I'm just going to miss here one bracket here, that's why they are not properly indenting the things. So what we do here, okay, we are just going to hit the enter key. Now it says agar, if ch is equal to 1, so what we are going to talk about, we are just going to call that particular function from here and hit the enter key and just paste. And after that, elif ch is equal to 2. So what it makes sense, it makes sense. Now I'm just going to talk about this particular function here, that is d underscore data here. So what we do, we are just going to mention it as, and again here it is elif if choice is equal to 3, it says yes, we are talking about one more function here, that is a count record. And what we do, dear students, we are just going to paste it here. Okay, it's not okay, done. After that, here it is, it says else print. So it says wrong option select data selected, and what we do /n for moving towards the next line, kindly select from 1 2 3, and here it is, we are just going to make this close here. And what we do now, as we have displayed ease and everything, but we are supposed to stop the infinite loop which is here, that is while true. So what we do, dear students, we are supposed to terminate this with the help of that we are going to ask from particular that ch is equal to, we are just going to mention it as, can we take it as ch? Okay, no issues with that. We just make it ch is equal to, and we can say that input, and here it is, do you want to continue? And here it is, we are asking that y and n here, that this will be the options for you. And what we do, and if they enter if ch is equal to, okay, no, in spite of using ch, n, we can call it as y, and y here, and then what we do, we just called it as a break here. So what we do, dear students, I'm just going to hit the F5 here, and I'm just going to save this program. So we can call it as file handling, and somewhere it says 12 here. So what we do here, kindly concentrate, it's my humble request. I'm just going to hit the enter key, and what it makes sense here, it says that this will be enter data. Why it displays? Because here it is, we mentioned enter data. Why it moves towards the next line here? Because with the help of /n here, and each and everything. So what we do, we just enter first information and enter 101 here. Student name is Nupur, and percentage, I'm just going to mention it as 100. Keep smiling always for this, and 102, and hit the enter key. And what I'm going to do here, just mention the name of Gurpreet, and hit the enter key. And can I just type 99? It's more than enough, I think so. And again, I'm going to type it as 103, and this time I'm just going to mention my name here, Kaval, and I'm just going to mention it as 67%. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. So what we do, in spite of typing yes all the times, I'm just going to type it as n. And what they do, they just when we just entering 1 and 1 all the time, so what they do, they call that function. And now what they do when we type this information, so it says from here, it says no, this is not y, and now this infinite loop is supposed to be breaked here. And now we reached here at that location. It says, do you want to continue, yes or no? So I just mention it as a yes, I want to continue. What it makes sense? Okay, I think so. Do you want to continue? I have mentioned and they come out from the loop, no issues. So what we are going to do here, we are just going to mention it again and break outside. Okay, what it does while this is a true here and we are supposed to perform each and everything here, and it makes sense that we remain inside that particular input. Okay, here what we do, can anybody tell me what will be the error here? It's my humble request. Error will be in that particular line, in these particular line. Can you please tell me what will be the error? Anyone say no? If you don't have any idea, say no. No issues with that, no issues with that. Kindly give me the response, please. It's my humble request. I'm just saying, my dear students, if you don't have any idea, you can type no in a chat box. No issues with that. Very good. Kindly give me a response. Yes, I have Arre wow, Kushi is saying, sir, instead of why and why we use and sir, indentation is off, indentation error. No. So this is very much accepted from my dear respected Kushi Keti ji. But in spite of writing it as why, that's why they break that particular. Again, I'm just going to hit that particular, and I have entered the data previously. So what we do here, we just mention it as a 2, and it says that display data. They display the data here of all the students, Nupur, Gurpreet and Kaval. What we do here, again we type it as a y, and this time what we do, we just mention it as a 3 here, and it says that they are supposed to display the values of only those students where the information is percentage will be percentage will be greater than 75. So you can also make changes in these particular values. So what we do here, we can mention it as data 0 here, and what it makes sense that it is being greater than we mention it as, I think so, 101, 102. Okay, so we mention it as greater than 102. So what will be the output in that case when we mention it as 102? Can anybody tell me that what will be the output here? Very good. Kindly give me a response in a chat box, please. So that what will be the expected output when we mention it as 102, data 0. Very good. No output. Simmer is saying no, Simmer, it's not like that, beta. You are supposed to analyze this thing that when we talk about a data index value 0 here. So in that case, the index value 0 having a value that is a underscore number. अरे वाह खुशी, thank you beta. Khushi, thank you. Nupur, thank you. Very good. This kind of response I need always. So what we do here, again we are just going to hit the F5 and hit the enter key here. So in spite of considering this particular text, because we are making changes in a code here, so what we make here, we make changes in that particular, that data 0 is greater than 102. So I'm just going to hit 3 option here, and what it makes sense, it makes sense that output will be 103, Kaval and 67. Okay, what happened here when we mention here, kindly consider this thing and give me a response in a chat box, please. It's my humble request. I just mention it here, mention it as a Nupur. So what will be the output? Kindly tell me in a chat box. I need your responses. Very good. Just tell me that at data 1, I think so some information is there. Very good. I need your response. Very good. Even you are responding wrongly, no issues with that, but your response is very much valuable for us. So you can respond. Archie ji, Nupur ji, Khushi Kheti, Simran, Jashanpreet, Vinay Japra, many more to come. Bhagat, no problem, Bhagat. You say no issues with that, but you can respond. It's my humble request. So Nupur is saying 1, Gurpreet 99. Gurpreet, okay, sorry. I'm just going to make it one change here. The data 1 is equal to Nupur. Yes, Simran is responding correctly, but it's my mistake that I have mentioned greater than symbol here. So that's why Nupur is responding in the wrong way. So now I think so when I run this program again, when I just going to hit that program here. So and when we are supposed to mention it as 3 here. So what will happen that it says that where the information is considered as Nupur here. So they are responding it perfect manner. So hopefully my concept is very much clear to you all. Very good. Kindly tell me in a chat box that this concept is you are able to understand this concept, yes or no. Kindly tell me in a chat box. I'm still waiting. Yes. खुशी खेती नूपुर जय भगत मैनी मोर टू कम मैनी मोर बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे विनीत जापरा जी हैं उसके बाद हमारे प्यारे आर्ची जी हैं beta your concentration must be there on your class here. Okay, Prabjo, thanks for your response, but it comes later, I think so you are supposed to respond it very quickly, okay, because you are a good student. So I'm just going to close this function, and we are going to do this thing with the help of one more practical demonstration here, if you allow me to do the same. So what I do, I just copy and paste that information for saving our time. So what we do here, kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. I'm just going to maximize this one. So next question says, it's my humble request, kindly concentrate. I'm just going to ask some questions to you all. It says, consider a binary file that is a train.dat containing details such as train is equal to. Just first of all, tell me what will be, what we consider this thing, which is reflecting in a blue, reflecting with a blue color, whether it is a list, whether it is a tuple, whether it is a dictionary. Kindly respond in a chat box. Kindly give me a response in a chat box. Very good, very good, very good, very good. I'm still waiting for your responses. Yes, first of all, one student is responding, thank you. Second is responding, Kushi, Jay, Prabjot, and many more to come. Yes, Nupur, good. All four are giving me a perfect answer. Many more to come, many more to come. Or bhi kariye Bhagat. Very good. Bhagat, it's not correct here, beta. It's my humble request. When these curly brackets are there, you are supposed to respond that this is to be considered as a dictionary here. This is to be considered as dictionary here. Thanks for your response. Thank you very much, Bhagat ji. Jashanpreet ji, perfect, and Simran is also responding in a perfect manner. No issues with that. Thank you very much. Many more to come. Vineet and Archie. Where is Archie? Where is Vineet? Where is Sanjana Virdi ji? Very good. Where is Gurpreet? I have not received the response of Gurpreet. Where is Jashanpreet Kaur? I think so. Okay. Sorry, Jashan. I have received your response. Tanyam ji. Where is Tanyam ji? Tanyam ji, kindly type in a chat box. Give me your response, please. Then only I begin with the next concept here. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Be quick. Give me a response. Give me a response, beta. Okay. Here it is, write a Python function. This is a function, Bhagatji, when these open and close circular brackets are there, then it is to be called as a function here. To display the details of all trains whose destination is Fagwada, here. So what we do here from a binary file train.dat, what we do here, assuming the binary file is containing the object of dictionary type. This is the constraint here. This is the actual constraint because in that particular question we have used the concept of list. If you are able to understand that particular thing, we are using the concept of list here, but here it is the constraint. They are saying we are supposed to do the same thing with the help of a dictionary here because this is a key. T number is a key and this is a blank, which is to be considered as a value. So what we do here, kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. I'm just going to make changes in that particular program only. So what we do here, we just mention it as train here. We just mention it as TRAIN. Okay, and after that, this is the perfect manner that AB is means that we are going to perform that with the help of append binary mode. But what we do here, we just mention it as a train is equal to, this is curly brackets, and I think so, decaternary spelling गलत है, मैं नहीं लिख रही, छोड़ो भाई. Dictionary, that is a dictionary here. This train is to be considered as a dictionary here. So what we do, we are just going to open that particular, and this time what we are going to mention it as a, here they says T number. So what we do here, we make changes here and mention it as a T number, and mention that enter, we can simply make changes here. That is a train number here. So next thing they are talking about that from. So what we do when we are going to write it in lowercase here, it says this is a keyword and we are not supposed to use that one. So what we make sense, we just use the first alphabet as a capital letter, that is a from. So we just mention it as a very easy manner that this is a from. मतलब कि train कहाँ से आ रही है? Train is coming from Delhi, and it it is supposed to be reached to Fagwada. This is the example. Okay, and after that what we do here, we are just going to mention it as a to here, and in spite of mentioning all the content here, what we do here, that is a to, but I think so we don't require that int here. Why so? Because this is not an integer, this is a string itself. So what we do here, in spite of writing such content here, I'm just going to eliminate that. And what we are going to do now, kindly concentrate. I'm just going to mention the name of the dictionary here, and just mentioning the name of key here, and closing that. And what we do here, we just mention it as a T underscore number. So in a similar fashion, again, what we do, we just mention it as a train, and here it is a key which says that from, and again we make it like this from, and again what we do, we just mention it as a train, and again what we do, we just mention it as here it is a 2 here, and what we do, we just again mention it as a 2 here. This is the value that we are supposed to accept these values, and what we do, this is a key here, and this is to be considered as a value, because when we talk about the concept of dictionaries, they work on the basis of key, and as well as they associated with a value here. That's why we consider it as in such a way. So what we do next, what we do here, this is a dump function which is supposed to be write the content. So what we do, we are just going to mention it as a train here. obj1 is always perfect, because here it is the file handle is being written here that this is obj1. Okay, it's done, I think so. We are just going to move forward. This is a display data here. In spite of mentioning here a student, what we do here, we just mention it as a train here. Can I check one more time? Train 001 data. Okay, it's done. So what happens here, they're just going to read the content, and we are just going to display the information here. So what we do, there is no need to change this one even, because they are just going to read the content from here, and they just display the content. No issues with that, they work, no issues. Okay, after that, this is the function here, what we are supposed to use here, that is D underscore train as per the information which is being available here. So what we do here, again we mention it as a TRAIN. Okay, now we just begin with reading that particular content, enter in an infinite loop. And what we do here, this thing very important here, that in that case, what we do, we just mention it as a train here. Can I just mention it as a train here, train? And what we do here, we just mention it as a train again. And in that particular, we are supposed to mention the key here, and we mention it as 2 here, means it it's come from Delhi and it reaches towards the Fagwada here. So what we do here, we just mention it as PHAGWARA. This is to be considered as a Fagwada here. And what we are going to display in spite of a data here, we just mention it as a TRAIN. This is the train, if I am correct here. So what we do, we can mention it as this one is display, and we just make changes here, because display data of 2. Can I just mention it as display data of 2? You all are supposed to understand this thing, I think so. So what we make sense here, we are just going to make the changes here in a third function, that is D underscore train here, in spite of we are writing it as a count record here. So what we do, we just copy and paste this information here, and hopefully the rest will be fine. So what we do I'm just going to hit F5 and hit the enter key here. And we just mention it as a binary file. The number we are going to provide it as BF13 here. Hopefully it works. So what we do here, we just mention the information number one. Train number is 101. Again, I'm taking from, it comes from Delhi itself. And two, we talk about that Jalandhar, and hit the enter key again. By it says 102. I'm just going to mention it as Mumbai, and enter here. This is Fagwada, and enter one more information here, that is 103 here. Hit the enter key here, and this time I'm saying that it comes from Amritsar. Hit the enter key and again mention it as a Fagwada. So again hit enter. In this time I'm just going to hit as N here. So they just ask me that whether you want to continue. I say yes. Now, second option is for displaying data. So make sure this thing, these curly brackets representing that this is a dictionary here. And here it is, the single quote says that this is a key. And when we talk about the value, which is to be considered as a value itself. So again, what we do, we just type or hit the Y again for performing that particular. And what we do here, kindly remember this thing, we have mentioned here the Phagwara, Phagwara. So what we do here, we just mention it as 3 here. Yeah, any guesses that what will be the output? What will be the output in a chat box? Any guesses? As information is supposed to be displayed on the screen itself. So any guesses? Kindly tell me the name of the T number, train number only. No issues with that. What will be the expected output? Kindly type in a chat box. I am still waiting for you all. Very good, very good. Arey wow, Bhagat is typing 103. Bhagat, kindly check one more information is going to be displayed. Yes, that is 103. One more information is supposed to be displayed because 2 is all available at 2 different locations. Jashanpreet, thank you very much for watching it nicely. That 103 and 102. Very good. Can I just hit that enter key here? I'm just going to hit that enter here, and it says yes, this is this is a Phagwara here. So what we do, beta, we just mention it as we can make any kind of changes here. If you want to mention it as to Jalandhar, and in that case, what we do when we press F5 here, so it makes sense that when we type it here a 3, the expected output will be the 2 is to be considered as a Jalandhar here. In a similar way, when we just make a changes in a key here, for example, I have mentioned here a from here, and mention the information that here it is DELHI, that is a Delhi here. So what it makes sense, they just display the information of those only, where from is Delhi. So what we do, we just hit enter. Here it is only the information of that which is Delhi here. And if you want to make changes again here, so what we do here, we just mention it as a T underscore number here, and we just mention it as a 101. So I'm just going to hit that particular. Hopefully they give me the answer, and I'm just going to hit again 3, and they will return that particular answer. And hopefully, my dear respected students, the concept will be clear to you all. It's my humble request that do practice, and do practice. This